All right, I'm gonna show you a quick clip of just how to store your rod in the rod holder and how you're gonna use the rod sleeve to pack it back away. So I'm gonna unlock the locker, take my pull out. You can see my pull is stored in the rod sleeve. It is rigged with the fly on the pull. So when I'm ready to go fishing, I'm just gonna pull this sleeve off, take my rod and connect it, and my fly's right here, so I'm just ready to go walk to the river. So it's quick, the way it's stored, ready to go. Now I'm gonna show you how to pack it away. So the biggest tip on this is I have my fly hooked just above right where I'm gonna disconnect it. Don't hook your fly down here. It'll cause it to have a bunch of slack in the line and be messy. So you either wanna hook it right above where you disconnect it, or you can reel your line all the way in and just have the fly at the tip. But this is the best way to do it. So I got my fly, it's hooked right here on this eyelet. I'm gonna disconnect my pole right here. And now you'll see there's some kind of looseness in the line when I'm holding like that. So all you're gonna do is just pull this tip part up. And when I put this all the way up towards the top, my line is all taut and everything is neat. So I have it pushed forward, and then I'm gonna take the rod sleeve, slide it on, just like that. That rod sleeve is gonna hold everything in place. I could go off-roading, it's fine. The line is all taut, it's not gonna tangle. And then you're just gonna throw it back in the rod holder. That's it. That's how you use the rod sleeve. If you have any questions, just comment on this video.